Hi guys! Today we are going to do red curry paste. We're just gonna do 3 methods. One for the mortar and pestle, the second one for the mini blender, and the last one for the immersion blender. The red curry paste is the best paste of many curry paste like massaman paste, penang paste, gang khua paste. This is the sample of the ingredients we're going to use and the quantity in the websites. Dry chili spurs, dry ginger chili, shallot, coffee lime, shrimp paste, garlic, coriander root, lemongrass. Let's start with the old traditional methods from mortar and pestle. This is the best method. Just take a bit of time to do it. Dry chili spurs and dry ginger chili. So first of all, I chop it up very small and then soak in water to let the chili soft, because I need to powder it and make it like paste. So I need the chili very soft and easy to powder, right? Galangal, I chop the galangal, slice galangal and then chop very small pieces like this. Same as the shallot, lemongrass, coriander root, garlic, coffee lime. So the coffee lime, we only need the skin, the green bit. We don't want the white bit. And this one is shrimp paste. Let's get powdered. First of all, I need to powder the dry ingredient galangal first. Yeah. One at a time. This ingredient's done. Now for the next one. Coffee lime. This one done. Next one, coriander root. I can smell aromatic coming up. Coriander run done. Next one, lemongrass. Right. For the lemongrass, you need to use only the young bit and chop very finely to make it easy when you powder it. Next one, garlic. Oh, garlic and shallot. I powder in the same time because these two things, when we powder it, we release water. So I need to add a little bit of salt to absorb the water from garlic and shallot. This one done. Next one will be the chili. I need to drain it in a drain first. Chili spurs. The chili spur give a red color, and ginger chili give a spiciness. It will be better if you use use without soaking in water. It will last longer, but it's hard to powder it into the paste. So that's why I soak it first. All the ingredients I've been powdered for about 20 minutes, but the smell is great, so it's worth it. Believe me. Shrimp paste last to get the umami. If you want a vegetarian version, no shrimp paste added. lasts 4 to 5 days in the fridge and 2 to 3 months in the freezer. Let's compare with the mini blender next. So I split all the ingredients in half because this one is too small, cannot put it all in. Put all the ingredients into the blender, and then I will add a tablespoon of water to keep it going. This one from mini blender. We try to make it dry as we can while the machines can work. This method we're using 800 watt immersion blender Philip. I'm going to put all the ingredients in and add 2 tablespoons of water. Here the consistencies of the first method, and here the consistency of the mini blender is softer and wetter than the first method. We add 2 tablespoons of water. This one soft, nearly the same as the second method.